Hi guys, Alex Peak Performance Reviews. Welcome to another vlog. You'll see from the title, bit of a clickbait. Yeah, Supra's obviously going away, but it's actually not being sold or anything like that, so don't worry guys. It's basically, it is going to full throttle performance to get finished basically. Since I've started racing, haven't had nowhere near enough time, so yeah, we're just needing to basically get that car finished. Lots of work still needing to be done, but it's getting there, was getting there. I just haven't got the time to finish between race season, end season, when I'm always doing something, building the new Enduro KA, if you haven't seen that, top right. So yeah, just gonna need to get it sent away, so keep watching on because there eventually will be some videos coming. So yeah, as you can see, there's so many different bits. There's throttle body, there's a lot of things I don't know whether I'd actually need to even send that have come off the car. I think they're staying off the car, but it's been so long I can't remember what was going on the car. We've obviously got a big triple pump hanger from Powerhouse Racing, new bigger pumps going on. Got the front cover of the turbo because the turbo's largely on. Lots of little bits and Sam hoses. A lot of this is all crap that's coming off as well, to be fair, and I can't remember what the other stuff is, like external wastegates, etc. But yeah, she's finally going away, so to get finished. But yeah. POSTCODE, Zandy's email there if you want to email it, POSTCODE Transport. These guys are absolutely awesome. They've come to pick up the Supra and take it away, which is sad but awesome all at the same time. Helping top man, POSTCODE recovery. We're just loading the Supra. Poor thing needs to get finished finally. So yeah, as you would see, I'm basically sending away the Supra with the guys at POSTCODE. I'll give you links in the bio actually. They're local really to me, Suffolk kind of way, and yeah, she's off. She's going to Full Throttle Performance, which are in, I can't remember where they are. Again, links in the bio actually. Full Throttle Performance, they're one of my sponsors, so yeah, going off to Al. He's also got a Supra, a mental 2,000 horsepower Supra, so it's going to be in good hands. And yeah, I want to finally get it finished. New fuel system, new turbo on. We're going to get it mapped and then hopefully be out in the next, probably 3 weeks is probably more realistic. I'd like to be ready in 2 months, but so I say 3 weeks, 3 months. Realistically, I think 3 months is going to be when it's going to be done. I'd like it done in a couple of months, but we'll see. So yeah, look at it, just looks, even just standing on there, not even clean as such, looks beautiful, doesn't it? Looks beautiful. Miss it so much, but anyway, yeah, got to get that car back out. Show you around the car. Got these ultra lightweight end keys, StockTech 6 pots with Halftech XB10 brake pads on them. Got the ARP carbon fibre wing mirrors, and we've got the rears are even bigger. These are 10J, and I think the front's a 9.5J, and we've got K-Sport 4 pop on the rear as well. Big custom exhaust, 3 inch to keep the weight, not the weight down, to keep the decibel output, sound output down. We did want to go 4 inch, but if you go 4 inch, you're looking at increasing the car's decibel output to something like 20 decibels. So we stayed 3 inch to stay at around 100 to 105 decibel level, which is I'm surprised surprised I've managed to keep it at that. But yeah, the car's looking gorgeous on the trailer, but I can't wait to have it back out. Gosh. Little while as well, obviously you've got our spare KA actually with Leighton in the background as well. We're on private ground, so that is off the road, but yeah, we're in the little mini Piccadilly. Quite cool to be in here as well, and to move this for the first time in a while. But yeah, so it's quite a cool little fun day, messing around with old shitty cars. Well, no, actually, sorry, this is not a shitty car. I love the mini Piccadilly, but I mean as in moving stuff around. And actually, I shouldn't really have said that, because actually I've been moving some awesome cars. Supra's obviously gone, and we're in the mini Piccadilly moving it around. I'm going to try and get this out in the summer a bit more as well. And obviously Leighton's in the KA, our spare KA, which is cool. So yeah, we'll crack on. Yeah.